It's very often the academic researchers which come up with that really new nugget of an idea.
The SMMI allows us to talk to other business partners to ensure that we put the most we can into saving lives at sea.
SMMI is an institute created by the University of Southampton with a view to learning about the natural environment in the oceans and also how we use the oceans in a responsible and sustained manner. Some examples are in the design of ships, in the design of offshore structures, how we predict the weather, what about the long-term effects of climate, how do we plan roads and buildings near coastlines, how do we get oil from one place to another.
So this is a new towing tank and wave basin that's been built at the Southampton University, and it's a 138 metre long body of water, 6 metres wide, 3.5 metres deep. It's designed for testing all sorts of objects that's going to go into the maritime environment. Most of our projects have an industry focus and have an industry relationship.
ASV designs, builds and operates autonomous surface vessels. So these are unmanned marine robotic systems on the surface of the sea, and they're used in a whole variety of different tasks, such as mine hunting and mine sweeping for the Navy, gathering offshore science data for oceanographers and scientists, and for positioning subsea structures such as pipelines for the oil and gas industry. I think in working with the SMMI, we're going to be able to develop some new products fairly soon and enhance some of our existing products to give us that leading edge when we compete on a world market.
All companies who wish to have a future have to innovate, have to have new products or new processes or new offerings, otherwise they'll wither and die. Companies can work with the University of Southampton and SMMI in a number of different ways. From a focused piece of work over a fixed period of time, say from a few weeks to a few months, to much larger, longer-term projects.
So the RNLI has been involved with the SMMI for some 15 years now. The SMMI has allowed us to do is look at the business of engineering, if you want to call it that, and make sure we understand not only the engineering side of it, but the cost management. What it's also allowed us to do is ensure that we've been able to better understand the fatigue performance of our composite all-weather lifeboats, and one of the contributory factors in allowing us to extend the life of those from 25 to 50 years has been that relationship with Southampton University and the work we've done there with the SMMI.
What we're doing in SMMI is at the cutting edge. We have companies who want to relocate to our campus. Lloyd's Register is over 250 years old. In 2014, they decided to move the Marine Division to the university's Boulderwood campus. This is a first for any company in any university in any country in the world.
There was an opportunity, a shared vision, if you like, between the University of Southampton and Lloyd's Register to create a centre of excellence for the maritime technologies, and from that the Southampton Marine and Maritime Institute was born. And of course when we bring our clients in to look at the work that we're doing for them, we're better to bring them than a state-of-the-art campus, modern and bristling with new facilities and enthusiastic academics and motivated staff.
So in industry, you're often driven by the need to develop and deliver products, deliver projects to customers. And although you have your own internal R&D, if you can combine your internal R&D with academic teams, then you can really deliver something new.